So this is my 87th video of the day, and in this video again I have to say something about my personality, right? Um, People, I had always thought I would join one of this, like I'd become probably a doctor, or engineering was like a very glamorous thing, like when I was doing my, 11th and 12th and all of that. But see, God's plan for us is always much better than what we plan for ourselves, right? So yeah, I mean, this YouTube journey is possible because this was somewhere I know I did it. I was a mass comm student. I did mass comm in my undergrad and postgrad. So I was just thinking of it today that I'm so grateful to be doing something that I have studied, like, because there are so many people, they've studied engineering and then they have joined a bank. It's like that. So that's what, it's like a very nice thing. So this is my 87th video, another 13 videos to go, no, 14, because I'll do it till 101 because one of the videos got missed, 79 videos. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.